everyone, and welcome back. Today for lunch, I'm going to get boiled crawfish from 2 different places and see which one I like better. I got 3 pounds of boiled crawfish, 2 pieces of corn, and 2 potatoes from Christian Brothers Seafood. And now we're going to go to Crawfish X-Press. Well, I got 3 pounds of boiled crawfish. When you buy the potatoes there, 1 order is 4 potatoes, so I got 4 potatoes, and 1 order of corn, which is 2 pieces of corn. At Christian Brothers, it was just under $16, and at Crawfish X-Press, it was just under $20. Those are Crawfish X-Press. Pretty decent size to them. These are from Christian Brothers. We've got some big ones there. Very good, just like they always are when I get them from Crawfish X-Press. A little bit of heat, not too much, enough salt. Better than the duck roost here in Sorrento. Let's try the Christian Brothers ones. Easy peel, just like the other ones. These are good too. Not too much heat, but there is some heat. Okay, so for the crawfish, they're both really good. I'm still going to give Crawfish X-Press the win. It has a little bit more salt. It's good. They're both good, but I would still, it wouldn't matter which one I got them from, but I would go to this one if I was just going to choose one. Well, let's try their potatoes and the corn, because that's where the heat usually ends up. Potato is not mushy. That's pretty good. Corn is good. There's the heat. Ooh, that's a hot potato. It's a hot corn too. So I'd have to say, like I said, crawfish from Crawfish X-Press, both are good, but the crawfish are better. The corn and potato are actually better from Christian Brothers. Not quite as hot as the ones from Crawfish Express. So I don't know, it's up in the air. I would buy it either place. It's there was no really huge difference, but these guys are still my favorite. Inside the store though, I liked inside Christian Brothers store better than Crawfish Express. It's just a warm feeling. You walk in there, you can smell that seafood, which you could here too, but not as much, and it's kind of a cute little place. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I'm glad I finally got to do this. I will see you guys on the next video.